the stove. As you guys can see, it looks way better than it did in the beginning. I had these like foil things over it to, you know, kind of help me not clean the stove as much, but it was getting to the point where I needed to clean the stove. Also took the little handles off of here. This one doesn't work. It doesn't push or anything either, but I did take it out. I cleaned the under of it, and I also washed these, so they're a lot cleaner now, and it looks so much nicer in here. Toby is here. Toby wants to say hi. Hi, Toby. Forgot to mention, I reorganized the shelf right here. So yep, I took some stuff out that I thought like needed to be thrown out already. This is all we have left. It looks so much better than it did before. I wish I took a before and after. And then this one also is here. I took the slim little crackers out of the boxes. This one is correct, so that's kind of like a downer already, but everything else is good. Just that one pack is like got crushed. But yeah, reorganized this top shelf, reorganized this bottom shelf. I moved the microwave from the left to the right side. It used to be on this side, and I moved everything else that was here on here. So I don't know, I kind of like it better. I don't know, let me know. And then also we got this rice rolls that are honey butter flavored, and they don't taste good, so I much rather prefer the original flavor, not the honey butter. So this, if you guys want to get one of these, don't, because I don't think you'll like it. I forgot to show you guys this, but the other day I got my package and I ordered more vacuum bags. So this is how it looks like. Looks like this. Don't worry, this is like my like dirty blanket, so I can like, you know, sit on here and stuff, but this is a clean one. So anyways, comes with like 30 bags, lots of bags in here, and then it also comes with a pump. I already have a pump, so that'll just be an extra, but it comes with lots of bags, 6 jumbo, 6 large, 6 medium, 6 small, and then 6 travel roll-up bags. I'm guessing those don't need to be hand pumped, but not sure. But yeah, this is how it looks like. And this was pretty cheap. It was like 26 bucks. It came with another box of stuff. And also now Toby has made her way in here. Awesome. Toby, can I show everybody what's in the bag? Excuse me? Excuse me? Thanks. Anyways, went to CVS the other day, got 3 boxes of tampons, and I took one out of the box and it's all over here, and so that's why she's over there. But yeah, I bought 3 because there was like buy 3 and you get like $5 back, so I bought 3 because I need it anyway, and it doesn't hurt to have $5. So anyways, let me look for the other box like this because I have no idea where that went. So what I wanted to tell you guys is that it came with this as well, and this comes with 4 medium bags. No idea why it says Medlum, but comes with this one, and also there's a hand pump in here. I'm gonna give this to my mom just so she can have this, and if she likes it I can give her more because I have extra bags. But yeah, so good deal. Came with like basically 34 bags. Tubby, what are you doing? This is my chair. Hello. Hey, Tubby. Can I have my chair back? Can I have my chair back? Okay, I'm just gonna sit right here. Just sit right here, okay? Oh, okay. Bye.